What's the most exciting tech that you see going into 2023?
Take the word exciting out of your question, just because I don't personally find this exciting, but I think it's worth talking about. And that's just AI in general. Like, it's crazy what I'm seeing right now in this world of like, I could write like pickleball in like the top of this AI thing, and I could have in a click of a button a beautifully written 2,000 word article or paper or essay on pickleball that's so much better than I could ever write with hundreds of hours of research, and in seconds. And like, that's scary, that's crazy. It's going to really be just, it's going to be disruptive in a lot of ways for a lot of people that are like copywriters that do different things in social media. And man, it's going to be disruptive. And it's time for people to really step back and say, how can I avoid being disrupted by something like this? How can I create real skills that are going to be valuable in 2023 and beyond?
I'm glad you went there, John, because that exact point about creative AI coming in and doing the imagery, doing the video, doing the copywriting, it's completely changed the industry. And I think a lot of people need to, it's not just about truckers going and learn to code right now. It's about every single industry being disrupted. I'm wondering, on your side, you've run. Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.